How to reset your Regions Bank online banking password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you logged out of your Regions Bank account? Well, here is how to reset your password online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, you can just click on the login button and after that, you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here, once you see the interface like this, under the continue button, there you can see the option labeled forget username or password. So from there, simply click on password and here on the next page, you have to enter your username and the social security number. So simply enter that and after that you can just click on continue. And once you do that, on the next page you'll get a social code by text, email or phone call. So enter it on the next page to continue and after that you can create a new password. So make it strong with a mix of uppercase, lowercase numbers and symbols. And once you're done with it, confirm the new password and save it. And once you do that, you can log back in with your updated credential. And that's it. That's how you can reset your Regions Bank online banking password. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.